did. You holding your poodle? Oh, he cleans you. Just eat him?
Come here. Come here. Kieran, stop. Oh my God. Oh.
Are you a tiger? Are you a big scary tiger? Yeah. Let me see your tiger claws. Let me see them. Wow. They're so scary.
Yeah. Come on, Odin. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Oh, whoa.
Travis, I need to talk to you.
What?
Oh. This is a private conversation. So.
Bad dog. Where you been? Huh? Bad dog.
Oh my gosh. I forgot to put the paper towel roll away. Ow! Don't jump on me. Sorry. No. Ow.
Kiss. Get him! Get him off your get him off your bed. Get him? No, he's still on your bed. What's your deal? He's still on your bed. I owed him up.
It crawls around on rocks and vegetation looking for tarantulas. So hopefully
Come on.
we'll find one that is on the ground and not flying around.
Come on. Come on, Flip. Good job.
The way it reproduces, it's creepy.
It's probably the worst.
This bitch's driving is diabolical. Don't dare move my hand. I'm literally saving people from death. There we go, that's better.
So.